All right, guys, how's it going? It's Kevin from Big Break Sports Cards. It is 9:35 p.m., March 31st, Thursday, and doing a group break between Hector and Phil, 2013 rookies and stars. So good luck, guys. So left side is Hector. So here's the left side, that's Hector, and then the right side is Phil. There you go. So you want to go back and let me just make sure there's one, two, three, four, five. All right, 5 packs each. We'll go back and forth. So Hector, we'll start with you on the left. Here we go. Good luck, guys. Thank you so much. We got Daryl Richardson, Maurice Jones-Drew, Eddie Lacy, rookie, and Dion Jordan, Matt Forte, and Kid Reporter. So Eddie Lacy, rookie, not too bad. Was that last break the bonus? Yeah. Oh, P-Leg, what's up, man? Who did you have? P-Leg, I think you were in the last mixer, the one before this. Let me check. I'll check it in a minute for you, buddy. No, no, we're not. They're not doing a pack war because not everything in here is numbered. So this is Phil right here on the right. So P-Leg, let me get you right back to you, buddy. I'm in the middle of doing a group break real quick. So DeQuell Jackson, Colin Kaepernick, Mike Gillespie, Kenny Stills, and Andy Luck. Back to Hector. Honestly, Peely, I think you might have been in the mixer that we did a couple of days ago. I'll let you know. If not, then you're in the next mixer. They've been filling every like 3 days, so I'll find out for you. So this is Hector. We got LaShawn McCoy, Wes Welker, Jawan Jameson, and Dion Jordan patch, freshman orientation. No numbering on that. There you go. Dion Jordan patch. Carson Palmer and Tim Tebow. Kid Reporter card. Back to Phil on the right. Kid Reporter. DeMarco Murray, Russell Wilson, Ray Rice, Mark Sanchez, Jordan Poyer, and Aaron Dobson. Rookie jersey piece. So that's Phil, no numbering on that. Aaron Dobson, rookie jersey piece. Your last one was Dion Dion Jordan patch card, rookie patch. Dion Jordan, that was yours, Hector. So back to Hector's stack right here. We got Doug Martin, Tom Bahali, Nick Casa, Ray Rice, Reggie Wayne, and Kid Reporter. And back to Phil. It'd be cool if both you guys each got 2 hits. That'd be cool. So Phil, get the Kid Reporter card. Calvin Johnson Jr. All right, Greg. I'll talk to you tomorrow, brother. Thank you. Vincent Jackson, Niles Davis, Mark Sanchez, Denarius Moore. Back to Hector. I think you guys each got one thick pack left, it looks like, so that's pretty cool. So far, it looks like you each got 2 hits, I think. So Kid Reporter, you got Philip Rivers, Mikel Shore, Ontario McCaleb. Oh, there you go. 2 out of 5, dude. Jamar Taylor. So if it was a pack war, you would have won with a 2 out of 5. That's the first numbered base card I've seen in 2013 Rookies and Stars. So 2 out of 5, Jamar Taylor, base, rookie, and Percy Harvin. Man, if I went too quick, I would have missed it. That's Hector's, and we got Phil over here. The title fight right now between you two. AJ Green, Antonio Brown, Stedman Bailey, Adrian Peterson, and Steve Smith. Kid Reporter. Last packs. 2 thick boys. Let's see what we got. See if we can't get a little autograph out of here. So Hector, here we go. Got Darren McFadden, Jason Witten, Kid Reporter, Eli Manning, Ben Jarvis Green Ellis, Connor Vernon, and Marcus Wheaton. Rookie patch. That's not too bad. So Marcus Wheaton rookie patch. There you go. Going to Hector. And last pack going to Phil. Here we go. Rookie patch auto maybe one time. We got Andre Johnson, Pierre Garcon, Kid Reporter, Steven Jackson, Jimmy Graham, Tyrann Mathieu, and man, we've seen this guy a few times. Matt Barkley, rookie patch auto. This one might be numbered. It is numbered right there. 82 out of 99. Matt Barkley, rookie patch auto. So Hector got numbered to 5 base. You got the Barkley rookie patch auto numbered to 99 for Phil. That's the break, guys. Thank you so much.